Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kryptonite finance token. Ticker symbol is Seilor, S-E-I-L-O-R. We're going to go over the information on the Kryptonite finance token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Kryptonite finance token is being listed today, August 14th at 10 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SEILOR, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the name of the token, SEI, it starts that way because this is the premier SEI-supported liquidity staking protocol for the SEI blockchain, the SEI blockchain, with built-in lending and stablecoin minting for leverage. SEI is the first Binance launch pool of a chain since SUI. Its primary backers are Coinbase, Multicoin, Solana, and Jump. Kryptonite is just one of 6 projects that's part of the SEI community incentives. So there's a total supply of 1 billion Seilor tokens. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far they have 1,337 holders, 18 decimal places, 3,569 transfers, and a total supply of 261,233,549 Seilor tokens. So they do have a Twitter, and I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project here. It says official partner of the SEI network, has a link to the SEI network Twitter, but their Twitter specifically is at Kryptonite_FI. The essential engine for liquidity staking, leverage, and lending on SEI. Kryptonite.finance is their webpage, and you can find that up here. You can also find their Discord. 122,000 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well. Even their Telegram, which you can find at KryptoniteFI, 84,751 Telegram members, doing very well on all of their socials as well. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find a full light paper over there. It's a 4-page light paper. It's going to have all the info. So it says the blockchain landscape is witnessing a rapid evolution of decentralized finance protocols that offer innovative solutions to long-standing established paradigms. Among these, the Kryptonite protocol emerges as a multifaceted platform operating on the SEI ecosystem. So, on their page, it goes over an examination of Kryptonite's distinct functionalities encompassing token utilities, staking, stablecoins, outlining its underlying mechanisms and implications. So the protocol's intricate decentralized design aims to capitalize a stakeable asset like Atom, SEI, and Ethereum to foster secure and stable returns while facilitating interest-free liquidity provision and collateralization. This work sheds light on the intricate interplay of these features, highlighting the protocol's potential in reshaping the decentralized financial landscape. So Kryptonite protocol is the premier SEI liquid staking platform, providing an infrastructure to ease staking for SEI users, with added features allowing users to earn compounded interest in SEI while accessing leverage. It represents the essential engine for liquidity staking, leverage, and lending on SEI. The Kryptonite protocol emerges as an innovative and multifaceted ecosystem situated within the SEI blockchain, setting a new standard for DeFi protocols. So Kryptonite introduces the concept of B assets, achieved by staking the native SEI tokens. So SEI, while accommodating the network slashes and penalties, they maintain a ratio of 1-to-1 between B assets and the native SEI token, or coin, I should say. The mechanics behind B asset rewards distribution, staking rewards, and unbounded procedures are analyzed, shedding light on the protocol's resilience and user experience. So the token utilities, specifically for the Seilor token, it powers the Kryptonite protocol by enabling users features such as access to SEI staking infrastructure, access to the mint function to be able to mint stablecoins via SEI, priority access to the infrastructure offered by Kryptonite protocol, and access to special promotions. Kryptonite offers liquid staking as a service for the SEI community. The fees of the service can be paid in the project's utility token to avail a discount. And SEI network validation is rewarded, and block rewards and transaction fees. SEI stakers earn these rewards through delegation for network security and through a responsible selection of network validators. Kryptonite offers liquidity to the stakers in return for a portion of the network fees earned by them. So these fees are paid out in the network Seilor token and are discounted. So in a nutshell, that's what the token is all about here. They also have stablecoin minting. So you can mint KUSD, Kryptonite stablecoin. And it says, in a nutshell, as decentralized finance continues to mature, protocols like Kryptonite present a shift in established paradigms by skillfully integrating staking, stablecoins, and utility functionalities within the SEI ecosystem. So that's what this project's all about. That's what the token's used for. It's a Binance Smart Chain token. It just got listed today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there and all the other referral codes as well. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.